So we see one more example in the calendar. The last day of the century. So here, what the question is, the last day of the century cannot be Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Friday. Means out of this, what cannot be the last day of the century? That you have to find out. So here, before going to that, century means 100 years. 100 years have 76 ordinary years plus 24 leap years. Total 100. Out of that, 76 ordinary years plus 24 leap years. Before that, we will see one year is having 365 days. That is equal to 52 weeks plus 1 day. So 52 weeks means Sunday to Saturday, they repeats 52 times plus 1 day extra. So same way, 1 day, 1 odd day. This is called odd day. That extra days more than even weeks. Then whatever leftover days less than 7, they are called odd days. So in 1 year, normal year, you will have 1 odd day. Same way, 1 leap year, 360 days, 366 days will be there. So that will have 52 weeks plus 2 days. That is 2 odd days will be there. So out of, you remember this, then you can go for this. So 76 ordinary years plus 24 leap years gives, see here 76 odd days plus here 24 leap years and 24 into 2 odd days. So the total 124 odd days. They will become 17 weeks plus 5 odd days. This 5 days will become 5 odd days. Means 1 century is having 100 years having 5 odd days. That is the, remember. So 100 years contain 5 odd days. Last day of this century is Friday. How it is? This odd day table you have to see this. Odd day table is 0 Sunday, 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday. From this 5 odd days means 5 is Friday. Means any this century, first century, 100 years, whatever is having years, that it ends with Friday. So then last day of this century is Friday. Then 200 years contains 5 odd day, 5 into 2. 10 odd days. 10 minus 7 days, once more you have to revise. It repeats, Sunday to Saturday. So you have to deduct from that. Then becomes 3. 3 odd days will become. Means out of 200, 3 odd days will come. So third odd days means 3 odd days means Wednesday. It is equal to Wednesday. So second century of end of the 200 years, the 200 years ends with Wednesday. Then 300 years contains 5 into 3, 15 minus 14. 14 means 2 out of 15. Sunday to Monday, Sunday to Saturday, 2 times repeats. So then subtract it, 1 odd day. Means after 300 years, 1 odd day will get. 1 means Monday. So end of the 300 years, that was the Monday. Then after that, 400 years contains 0 odd days. Every 400 years, calendar repeats. So divisible by all the years 400, or all the years divisible by 400 contains 0 odd days. That is the rule. So last day of the 4th century is 0 means Sunday. So that is the means. So this cycle is repeated. So the last day of the century cannot be, here as I have seen, Sunday repeated, Monday repeated, Wednesday repeated, Friday repeated. But Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday is not repeated. So the last day of the century cannot be Tuesday or Thursday or Saturday. Therefore, out of this Tuesday is not.